Here's a proposition that sounds almost too good to be true, but it's real. How'd you like someone to contribute $2,500 a month directly into your bank account? Yes, you heard it. $2,500 a month or more. With this unique proposition that I'm going to share with you, your dream could become a reality. See, this home where I stand right now, it's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom. It's not only a home, it's a smart investment. See, picture waking up to this home every morning, knowing that your property, it's not just a place to live, it's a strategic asset and investment. And I'm going to show you how you're going to pay for this home, or how he's going to help you pay for this home. See, right back here, there's a detached 1-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow. And it would not only provide someone a great place to live, but it's going to help you build equity and pay your mortgage for this property up front, which, by the way, is a fantastic opportunity here in South Park. We're going to be here Saturday and Sunday from 1 to 3. My name is Z with the McT Real Estate Group, and I hope that you come by and do not miss this opportunity. Call me if you have any questions.